Welcome to another video of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. And in this video, let us see some phrases that you may want to use when you do not care about something anymore or you have no hope for it. You can check Instagram, it will be super short video or some images that can help you to imprint the idea or words in your mind. You can check the Instagram channel Learn Speak Tamil. You'll find the link below in the description. The first phrase, you're not sure about a thing and you're in a dilemma about the outcome of it. You have no hope and you think it has less of a chance to succeed. How would you say that? எனக்கு இது சரிப்பட்டு வரும்னு தோணல. I don't think it is going to work. Or I don't think this is going to turn out to be okay. எனக்கு, to me, இது, this, சரிப்பட்டு வரும்னு will come out good or okay. தோணல, I don't feel. எனக்கு இது சரிப்பட்டு வரும்னு தோணல. I tell you these are powerful phrases that will make you sound like a native. So just tell it as it is. எனக்கு இது சரிப்பட்டு வரும்னு தோணல. Please try repeating it as I say it. It is not a na ku. Instead it is எனக்கு. Idu. It is not idu. It is இது. எனக்கு இது சரிப்பட்டு வரும்னு தோணல. எனக்கு இது சரிப்பட்டு வரும்னு தோணல. Do you think he'll turn out to be okay? அவன் சரி வருவான்னு நினைக்கிற? Perhaps they are discussing about an employee who is giving a lot of trouble and they are deciding about keeping him or letting him go from the company. அவன் சரி வருவான்னு நினைக்கிற? But it can also mean in a different context. That is, do you think he'll be suitable for something? அந்த வேலைக்கு அவன் சரி வருவான்னு நினைக்கிற? Do you think he'll be okay for that job? If you generally say, அது சரி வராது, it means it's not going to be okay. அவன் சரி வருவான்னு நினைக்கிற? அவன் சரி வருவான்னு நினைக்கிற? அவன் சரி வருவான்னு நினைக்கிற? Just leave it. Rather go do your work. Imagine she's going on and on about a problem happening in their neighbor and the guy says, அதை விடு, ஆகிற வேலையை பாரு. அதை விடு, leave it. ஆகிற வேலையை, the work that is going on, பாரு, go see it or look after that. அதை விடு, ஆகிற வேலையை பாரு. அதை விடு, ஆகிற வேலையை பாரு. Which means just go see what is important, not those useless things. எல்லாத்தையும் வேற மாதிரி யோசிக்காத. This is fairly simple. Just don't find a different meaning for each and everything. This happens when you overthink. எல்லாத்தையும், everything, வேற மாதிரி, in a different way, யோசிக்காத. Do not think or imagine. எல்லாத்தையும் வேற மாதிரி யோசிக்காத. எல்லாத்தையும் வேற மாதிரி யோசிக்காத. எல்லாத்தையும் வேற மாதிரி யோசிக்காத. எல்லாத்தையும் வேற மாதிரி யோசிக்காத. ஆனா ஆகட்டும், ஆகலனா போகட்டும். If it happens, okay. Otherwise, let it be so. ஆனா, if it happens. ஆகட்டும், let it happen. ஆகலனா, if it doesn't happen. போகட்டும், let it not happen. போகட்டும் literally means let it go off. But here you can understand the meaning. You say this when you do not care anymore. You're bored to be worrying of something. ஆனா ஆகட்டும் ஆகலைன்னா போகட்டும். 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 If you want to convey a phrase of a language and try to translate it into Tamil, you may do it even grammatically okay, but may sound unusual. You have to use phrases that everyone uses. So break these phrases into 2 or 3 parts and say it aloud. Think of a scenario and say that a couple of times, and the phrase is all yours to use.